everyone, welcome to today's channel. Oh gosh, can I talk? Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural, and today we are doing our July empty. July went too fast. Is it only me? July went too fast, and with July going so fast, in July we did protective styling, and because of that we did not use a lot of products, so I just have a little bit of my empties, trashable stuff to show you. Okay, so remember, if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and subscribe for more. One thing I want to let you know before we start is that we have an Amazon shop, and my Amazon shop is amazon.com/shop/discoveringnatural. And on my Amazon shop, I go live and I really talk about the products. I talk about how the product is working for your hair. I give you recommendations. So if you're someone that you're like, oh, I need to know recommendation, which one works for this and works for that, I have an Amazon shop. So make sure when you go to my Amazon shop, you follow that shop, and then when I go live, usually I go live a few times a week, once a week or so is the least. You'll be able to notify, and you can ask questions, ask about the products. You can shop while I chat. So while I'm talking, you can be shopping, okay? There's nothing wrong in that. Chat and shop with me. That's what I should call it. Come and chat and shop with me. So let's do this. So a few things that are empties. We're going to start with the category of shampoo. So with shampoos, the first shampoo that I used up, you guys can guess, is my Kadima African Black Soap shampoo and conditioner. This is, I don't even know how many times your girl has used this, so many times, and this is my go-to shampoo. It works really well. As I always say, if you're going to use Kadima products, you stay with Kadima products. And yeah, so if you have any problems using this shampoo, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you're not using other synthetic or other stuff, because this shampoo will tell you, this shampoo is a truth sayer. It will tell you, I don't like something you are not using. It will show. But it does cleanse your hair really well, and it does a fabulous job at it. So the next cleanser, this has been in my stash forever and a day. This is the Texture by Cantu. This is what it looks like. It has a nozzle that I like, and this, I use it usually when I come out of a protective style. It contains apple cider vinegar, shea butter, spearmint oil, tea tree oil, oat kernel extract, and aloe. So the properties of this is very good, but you can click that link over there where I really dive into this product. This product is one that you don't want to get in your eyes. Because if you get in your eyes, don't come and tell me that, Auntie Shola, why did you let me get this product in my eyes? Because it's gonna burn baby, burn. Okay, so you don't want to get into your eyes because it contains apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is like numero, what number on it is there? I can't see, I need my glasses. But yeah, so when you put in your hair, for best result, you're gonna squeeze it in. Always squeeze out all the water from your hair. You're gonna put it in, and then you follow up with whatever products you want to follow up with. So those are our shampoos. So moving on to the conditioning phase of this empty. So conditioning products, I'm looking, only one. I finished only one. Me and my daughters. This is our protein conditioner. This is the Shea Moisture Honey and Manuka. This is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment. People have been asking me, how do you use this, especially when you have low porosity hair? Yes, you can use protein when you have low porosity hair, and voila, that link over there, or the link in the description area, I did show you how I use protein in my low porosity hair to keep my hair strong, to keep the elasticity juicy. So this is it. We finished it. Sham. Okay, we left nothing for you. But if you look in the description area, there's a link on our Amazon shop where you can purchase this one. Okay, we didn't want to be greedy. We didn't buy everything from the shop. We left you some. So go get your own. Okay, so the next one that we have is category of oils. But the oil that we used up, we only used up one oil mix, and this is the Dennis London and Company. This is the Dennis London's Hair Company Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil. Dennis London is one, see, I still have a little bit left, just a little bit left. I'll put it right there. So Dennis London is one that is based out of Texas, and they're not too far from me, so I'm supporting my sister, you know, my Texas sister. So Dennis London products, they're very light, they're all natural, they're great for your hair. I actually added some MSM in here, so if you're someone that you're like, oh, what does MSM do to the hair, just click over there or look in the description area where I talk about sulfur and how you can use it for your hair and stuff. And this feels so amazing. Okay, so that is the Dennis London hair oil that we used up. Now going to the category of moisturizer. I get this question a lot. What is the best moisturizer for 4C hair? What moisturizer can I use for my child's hair? This moisturizer doesn't work. Do you have any recommendation? We have a ton of recommendations on our Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/DiscoveringNatural. I sound like an April Marshall, okay? So you guys have to come to my live. You will totally love it, okay, on Amazon. So Amazon live chat. See you there. So we use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. The link to get this is there. This works really, really well. It smells divine. It smells so good. My kids use this. Sham sham. Sham sham. Yes, they used it up. This works really well. So what you do is just spray water. Even if you don't use oils, just spray water, apply this product, and you are good to go. So the last and final product that we used up, but did we really use it up? Let me be truthful with you. I did a truthful YouTuber tag where I talked about brands and I talked about what other content creators do that piss me off, that upset me. Anyway, that's not a bad word. So let me be truthful with you. Did we use up this product? No, we didn't use up this product. Why? I'll tell you why. Okay? I'll tell you why. So my daughter has Jamaican mango and lime, and she's been using it, my oldest daughter. She's been using it for a long time. This is their grow, okay? The lock and grow. And she's been using this for a while and a minute. So almost, I want to say almost a year, about a year. Yeah, I think about a year. When you buy products, okay, I'm one of those people that when I buy products, if a product has expiration date, how do you know it has expiration date, you might ask? So if you look at the bottle right over there, you'll see a jar that looks like it's an open jar. Now on this jar, you see where it wrote 12M. Hopefully it's focusing. That means that after 12 months of opening, this product will expire. So it does, products do expire. So my daughter has been using this. You can see she's almost done using it. It's like way down here. And okay, actually like way down here. And for some reason, something happened to this product. She dropped the product a few months ago, and I don't know if you can see right here there's a crack. So she cracked the product and she kept on using it. She got a little bit of a sensitivity on her scalp. She felt something not right, and because of that she had to stop using the product. Was the product good? Yes. Have we used this? This is actually the 4th jar she has used, but because the product was exposed, the crack exposed it to the element, thereby reducing the preservation life of it from 12 months. I think it's nearly, I want to say nearly 12 months. I think it's like 10 months she's been using this. So we had to say adios to it. So those are our empties for this, or sort of empty, I'll say sort of empty. Yeah, so with this one, I yeah, that is not, we can't use it again. But if you like this video, thank you so much for watching, and guess what, we'll see you in another video. Feel free to watch our other empties videos right over here and check out a video that we did recently. Love you guys and stay blessed and take care of yourself. Bye.